Hey everybody, Rich from Stickies RC, once again reminding you to join myself and the rest of the Operation 11 Charlie team every Monday night for the Operation 11 Charlie live stream show on the 11 Charlie YouTube channel. That's every Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This week we got special guest Metal Masher who's going to be on the show. You're definitely going to want to come on, hang out, and see some of the awesome work that he does. We'll see you there. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and commenting on my videos. I truly appreciate the support. Be sure to check out the links down in the description for all the parts in the Capra, all the equipment I use for making my videos, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified when I drop new videos, be sure to click that bell. Again, thank you all so much. We'll see you soon.